Hey guys, Dr. Zach Cummins with Infinity Wellness Center. We're going to go over our new treatment that we have added into the practice. It is called StemWave. So StemWave is a phenomenal device. It's a shockwave therapy that is going to help your body start the regenerative process by a couple different ways. One, it's going to bring down the inflammation in the area that you have discomfort, whether it's neck pain, headaches, lower back pain, potentially hip pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, elbow pain. I mean, you name it, this shockwave therapy device gets fantastic results. It's a non-invasive treatment that we would be doing on you. It's roughly about 5 to 7 minutes of the treatment. And now, as you see here, what it does is it helps with the cellular response by activating your body's stem cells to migrate to the area we are doing the treatment on to allow that regenerative process to occur. Along with that, it also will create angiogenesis, which is blood vessel regrowth in the area to allow that blood vessels to form, blood flow to get into the area to allow it to start to treat and heal that area. As of right now, we have a patient we're doing this StemWave treatment on her lower back that she's been dealing with pain in the lower back all the way down into her leg, a shooting pain, which is what we would call a sciatica. So if you come in, we can see what this treatment looks like. This patient has gotten fantastic results from this technology. She was having lower back pain, like I had mentioned, all the way down into her lower back, into her foot. Her first treatment was a month ago, and that pain went away. She has not dealt with that pain since the first treatment that she had. Now she's going on a maintenance to make sure that that pain doesn't occur, but most importantly, to allow that stem cell regeneration and the blood vessel regeneration to occur so her body gets to get the best results possible.